Hi, I'm Miss Laurie from the Thomas Crane Public Library Children's Room, and I'm here today to show you how to make a quick snack in honor of Harry Potter's birthday. This one is a broomstick, and you just need 3 ingredients. You need a pretzel stick, you need a piece of string cheese, and it gets divided up into 3 pieces, so you could make 3 broomsticks from one. And here is my piece here. And you need chives. Now, the first step is to spread apart the string cheese. So it's going to look like a broom. And don't do it all the way. Leave a little bit at the top. Okay, and fan it out a little bit. And just take the pretzel stick and put it on the top of the cheese. And then for a little extra security, you just need some chives. You just tie it around the top of the cheese. Now, it's a kind of a long piece of chive, so I'm going to trim it. There you have a broomstick. I'm going to add it to some of the others that I made. Okay. Here's some broomsticks. So for more Harry Potter birthday ideas, you can go to thomascranelibrary.org. See you next time.